Hello everyone, this is Achilles Kumar Vind, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Tenga Valley. Hope you all will be fine and enjoying at home and doing something new. Dear students, today we are going to deal with the first topic of our supplementary book, that is The Lost Child by Mulkraj Anand. Dear students, before going through the topic, we will deal something about the author Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand, he was born on 12th December in 1905 in Peshawar, that is now in Pakistan. He died on 28th September 2004, Pune, Maharashtra, India. He was writer. First he studied at Khalsa College, Amritsar. After that he went London College, and after that he studied at Cambridge University. Okay, some of his notable works: Coolie and Untouchable. He got some awards as Sahitya Academy Award in 1971, Padma Bhushan Award in 1968, International Peace Prize in 1953. His wives were Kathleen and Shirin. Okay. This is a video clip for you so that you can see and watch and make an understanding what is of here. Okay. I hope you all will be now aware about the fair, how the fair is, what happens in the fair. And I also want to tell you one important thing. Dear students, this is the topic from supplementary book moments, and we don't deal the topics of supplementary book word by word and line by line. That's why you have to go through the topic and you have to study properly, you have to read the lines properly, and if any problem, so you can contact me. Okay, now that's why here I will tell you something about the topic, what is the story of the topic and what are the important points or summary of the topic. Okay, so this topic is about a child who was lost in a fair. It's okay. So first, the introduction of the topic. Okay, the lost child. That's the story of a small boy who was with his parents in the fair. Okay, so now listen carefully. The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. We all know what is a roundabout swing in fair. We find this. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents. Before losing them, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. Once he loses them, he is picked up by a stranger. The stranger tries to quieten the child by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents, but the child doesn't want them anymore. He wants his parents first. Okay, so this is the introduction of the topic. It's okay. After the introduction of the topic, now I'm going to tell you the summary of this topic, the lost child. Okay, so now listen carefully. It was the season of spring. Okay, spring season in India, the month of March and April. The people of the village came out of their houses in colorful attire, clothes, and walked towards the fair. A child along with his parents was going to the fair and was very excited and happy. He was attracted to the stalls of toys and sweets as many of us do. When we see the children in fair, they are too much attracted by the things. Okay, that in the same manner, that child was also attracted to the stalls of toys and sweets. Though his father got angry, but his mother pacified him and diverted his attention towards other things. Okay, the child moved forward but once again lagged behind because his eyes were caught up by one thing or the other every now and then. Lagged means left behind. He was going there, but suddenly he was left behind because his eyes were caught by one thing or the other every now and then. Okay, as they moved forward, the child wanted the various things on the stalls. His mouth watered, seeing sweets decorated with gold and silver leaves. He wanted his favorite burfi, but knowing that his parents would refuse on the ground that he was greedy, he walked ahead. Then he saw beautiful garlands of gulmohar but didn't ask for it. Then he saw balloons, but he knew very well that his parents would deny due to the fact that he was too old to play with balloons. So he walked away. Now, dear students, pay attention here. The child was demanding a number of things. Okay, he wanted a number of things, but he knew very well his father would scold him. He would be angry and they would not fulfill his demands. There may be many reasons. They may be poor or another matter, or his father would be so strict. Okay. Now you all would be aware about the nature of the father of that child. How was he? The child was demanding, the child wanted many things, but his father was so strict. That's why he suppressed all his desire. But when then he saw a snake charmer and a roundabout swing. As he stopped to ask his parents for permission to enjoy the swing, to his astonishment, there was no reply. Neither his father nor his mother was there. Now the child realized that he was lost. He ran here and there, but could not find them. The place was overcrowded. He got terrified, but suddenly a kind-hearted man took him up in his arms and consoled the bitterly weeping child. He asked if he would like to have a joyride, but the child sobbed, "I want my father. I want my mother." The man offered him sweets, balloons, and garland, but the child kept sobbing, "I want my father. I want my mother." Dear students, we know the child was demanding many things, but his father was not fulfilling. When the child reached at the place where was a snake charmer and there was also a roundabout swing, this was the point where he was lost. When he tried to ask his parents for permission to enjoy the swing, that moment he realized he was lost. And after that, the child began to search his parents. He was running here and there, but he could not find them. After that, a man came, he found him, he took him up in his arms, and he wanted to quieten him because the child was crying bitterly, he was weeping. He tried to console him. That's why he tried to offer him so many things, the things which he earlier wanted before losing his parents. Now the child did not accept anything. He did not take sweets, balloons, or garland, which he was demanding earlier. What he was saying? He wants only his father. He wants only his mother. This is the bond of love and affection of that child or his parents. The same we have. Now understood? That's why in introduction I have told you this story highlights the love and affection of a child for his parents as we have. We love our parents too much. Now we have some questions and you people have to make the notes of these questions. Okay. Now first question, what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Second, in the fair he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Third, when does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Fourth, why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? These are only 5 questions. Okay. Thank you everyone.